clear
or not, please do let me know so I could improve myself to give you 200% of myself. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. I think 16 participants has come over now. We will see for another 1 minute, then I will start. Thank you, Jayan. Thank you so much. I think you are very interactable. Thank you so much, Niharika. Nice to see you. Please take down all the notes which I'm going to take. So each and every step will be very important. It's not about PPT. Don't worry about PPT. I'll share you all the PPTs which I have prepared you. But the notes for software, it's very important. So please take down the notes, whatever. I'll go step by step slowly and I'll complete as soon as possible. I'll try to cover all the Navisworks. I would like to say one surprise to you. Please be hold on that. In between, I'll say the surprise what I have researched today and what you gonna learn and how you got this jackpot. I'll let you know. Thank you so much everyone for joining, especially Mr. Jayant, Mahesh, Niharika, Venki. I don't know something civil. No, I don't know about it. Raja, Jayant, Lavanya, Priya, Vasanti. Thank you so much for joining. Devi, Janu, Priya, Reshma. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. I request you to please say your friends to come inside so I could start the session. Shall I start the session, ma'am? Is it okay?
Yes, sir. You can go on.
Shall I want to stay for some time? Guys, what do you say? Shall I start the session? Yeah, sorry, John Priya. Okay, I can understand after seeing the PPT, you are thinking that it's a theory class. No. I'm going to start the software itself. It's like PPT is just for my reference as well as for yours also. Okay, but don't worry. I'll explain everything about Navisworks. Don't worry. I'll clearly explain you about Navisworks. Okay. So we'll start. I'll present in the mode. So what these things I gonna complete all the works today. Navisworks versions, 5 types, and his functionality, and introduction to BIM tools like AutoCAD and Revit, how it gets connected with Navisworks, and the application menu for Navisworks, which is very important. You should know everything about the application menu of Navisworks. Then appending the models, viewpoints, as well as sectioning the models. Then I'm going through the walkthroughs, eyeliners, reviewing the models, Windows tab, and so on. After going into the software elevator, you will be able to understand everything. So I'm just giving a rough explanation about, and come to the point. Navisworks contains 3 types of application types as well as file formats. Generally, Navisworks has designed and introduced for client satisfaction. It's generally for client satisfaction and easily operable to all kind of softwares, all kind of work to be completed at a time with no issues. Okay, there are three types of Navisworks application type. One is Navisworks Freedom, Navisworks Simulate, and Navisworks Manage. Navisworks Freedom is free of cost. You will get in the Autodesk Education Academy for 1 year for free, as well as Navisworks Simulate. It will provide you a best version of Freedom. You can edit it and simulate your model. Navisworks Manage is everything about you can able to move the model, as well as you can change what and all requirements, materials, everything you can change in the Navisworks Manage. It is the highest version of Navisworks. This is the professional use. For professional use, Navisworks Manage is used. For buying Navisworks, it costs around 6 lakhs to 9 lakhs per annum. I think Navisworks Manage is very huge cost. Navisworks Simulate and as well as Navisworks Freedom is not that much cost. You will get easily in the Autodesk Education Academy, where in the case of Navisworks Manage, you will get for 1 year for free as a student. If you go into the Autodesk Academy, you will get you have to upload one identity card or other card like that. Then after verifying your school or your personal ID, then they will allow you to download the Navisworks Manage software. Okay. Then when you come to the Navisworks file format, there are three kind of formats. One is Navisworks file format, and the .nwf file format is like when you are converting AutoCAD file into Navisworks file, it will create like Navisworks file format. Then .mwc is like cache file, like you can say cache, or else we can say as cache. Cache file is like it is a backup for the Navisworks files. If in case if some crash happens in .nwf file or .nwd file, you can again append the file format. Again you can work on the Navisworks model. Okay, these are the three file formats. Then when you come to the Navisworks, I explained you all the Navisworks Manage. Just Navisworks Manage is all the project review, project viewing, simulation and analysis and coordination. Where in the case of Navisworks Simulate, you just have to project viewing, project reviewing, as well as simulation and analysis you can do. Autodesk Navisworks Freedom is totally depends on the client as well as BIM manager, whether he want to show the augmented reality and virtual reality. Okay, I'll just go simply briefly explain about it, then I'll enter into the software. Then Navisworks versions is like all the cache file is turns into .mwd Navisworks file, so it can be used easily. Okay. Then all the reference file only in geometry and properties only can be used. In .nwd file, you can use the geometry, Navisworks data, and as well as properties. Where in the case of .nwf file, only Navisworks data can be stored over there. Like for Autodesk file or Revit file, modeling file can be directly turned into the Navisworks file is totally depend on the NWF file. Okay. Okay. Navisworks file types, I have explained you all this. Functionalities of Navisworks is clash detection, all kind of work. I'll share you the PPT, you can go through it. Okay, the roles of draftsman and modeler is like architect and all the MEP draftsman will design the AutoCAD design. Then BIM modeler or architect, structural model, MEP modeler plays a vital role for modeling. Then that files can be handed over to the BIM coordinator or project manager. Then he will turn that file and detects the clashes, and he will start the Navisworks simulation as well as modeling. Okay. Then I'm going to share you these all the things. Now I'm entering into the software side. First, I'll explain you about the AutoCAD. These are first software is for BIM. The first software for BIM to start the work is like AutoCAD, but it does not get coordinated with anybody. It's like a simple plan for residential building. It's like for showing you how the Autodesk works. This all I hope you know everything about Autodesk, and might be you should able to know at least AutoCAD 50%, so you could be able to understand what is what, and all the kind of work they have been done to be a modeler. Okay, basic requirement for the manager or a BIM manager or modeler is he should be able to understand all kind of AutoCAD drawings. Reading drawing and specifications are very important. Consideration also very important. So could when you are designing or modeling the work, then it will be there won't be any problem. Okay. So this is the AutoCAD file. I'll save here. I'll save in the desktop and I'll show you the file in Navisworks. Okay. I hope you got clear with the Autodesk how I'm gonna share in the Navisworks. Okay. Now I'm going to enter to the Navisworks. I'll show you how the AutoCAD file is open. Just this is the Navisworks application menu. Please note it down everything. Please talk to me so that I could able to understand that you are writing and completing the work. May I know, have you started writing it? Please let me know in the chat box or unmute yourself and say yes. I can understand your feelings, Ms. Janupriya. I can understand you. It's not like that. It's step-by-step process. So I can explain you how the files, AutoCAD files, have been transferred to the Navisworks files. Okay. It's not like that. I'm going to the AutoCAD. I just showed you how the AutoCAD file is transferred. Okay. Please don't mind. I have taken not that much time to AutoCAD. Okay. I think I should start. This is the application menu of Navisworks. As you can open it, you will find 1, 2, 3, 8 kind of tabs, like new tab, open tab, save as, export, publish, print, and send by email. And you can easily find there is a vast difference between export and publish. The difference between export and publish is export is like sharing the Navisworks file. If have some problems or mistake in the exporting, then he will export to the particular person in BIM 360, Autodesk BIM 360 or other files. After opening it, I will explain you everything. Okay. From now, I will open the see. While opening, I said you to open. I said that I have to open the Autodesk file. Am I right? Please cooperate so I could coordinate with me or talk to me or say yes or no, so I could able to understand that you're on track. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. So files of type C. There are many kind of types. I'll explain you what and all. Navisworks is .nwd. This is the main Navisworks file. Navisworks file .nwd is a main model to do any work. Okay. Navisworks file set is the transfer of file from AutoCAD to Navisworks is the Navisworks file set. Clear? Then Navisworks cache is the all the work you are doing over in Navisworks NWT. It's a backup for NWT file. Then 3ds Studio Max. Then this 3ds thing also you can upload work like Laser AS SCI as well as Faro, then Leica. These are the 3 laser scanning works. Like by using point clouds, you can like for from existing building, you take the point clouds like everything, you scan. Like it might be some, I think it's 8 MB file, so it takes some time. So I just let it load it. So I said you that I'll provide you some surprise to you. Okay, what the surprise is, as I just researched about the work, like Navisworks. You know how much they charge for Navisworks to explain everything? Around 9.5 lakhs to explain everything about Navisworks. Here you are getting how much? And 200 rupees you are getting Navisworks. I think you guys are very lucky, and you got this kind of opportunities. While I was there, I don't have that much of stuff work because I need to practice everything and I need to learn everything from different kinds of sources. Okay, so this is the Revit file and it is opened over in the Navisworks, and you can save it as a .mwd file. Okay, .nwd file. Just if you save, then it will show you .nw file set. After file set, when you make the file set, then it will prepare. While you opening it, the file will turn into .nwd file. That is the most important .nwf. If you couldn't understand, please say me what I will explain you about .nwf as well as .mwd, because these two things are little bit confusion, but you will able to understand while you are practicing again and again. Okay. Then here comes the part of appending and merging. There is a lot of difference between appending and merging. When you append the model, then the updates which you have done in the Navisworks files, like architecture file, I'll show you the architecture files as well as structural files. I'll show you. See, this kind of all the Revit files here over here. These are the architecture files. I'm gonna appending each and everything. Okay. See, I'll show you in the Navisworks. I'll show. See, first tab of the appending. See, please check. I'm going desktop. Then I'm going to the exercise files. Then Revit. I'll see the Revit file. Then I'll check it, this one. Then I'll say open. I'll close the Revit. Yeah, Jayan. I'm appending all the templates of Revit files, so I could work all the all. I just append means like Revit files in one file, and then I will start working on the Navisworks file. Okay. So this is how the architecture file is going to open now. Then I'll explain you how you gonna append all the things.
పొలిటికల్ లీడర్ దీక్షలు ఎవరు పూర్తి చేస్తారు? ప్రజా
Teja, I think you have some problem. Do you have any queries? Guys, what about other people's? I saw almost 20 people over there. Any problem with them? 20 to 25 yesterday. Just wait for a second. Let it open the door. It's for appending. While appending only, it causes some problem. After that, we will one .nwd file, and we'll work on all the tools and all the work. It takes very less time to complete all the things, so no need of worrying about it. Okay. Just while appending the model, it takes some time because it is converting the .rwrt file into .nwt file. No? So it takes some time because it's around 16 MB to 17 MB exchange architecture. So when you get all these files once means that it takes some time to append all the work. Hold on a second, guys. Really sorry for the inconvenience. It's loading. So may I know how many of you are students or working professionals? Everyone are students over here. Hello.
Guys, you can happily unmute your mics and talk with sir. You can interact.
students.
Thank you. Thank you. What about other guys? Let me have, I'll close all the Revit so it will work fast. I'll append again, see, I'll append all the files. See, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see I have appended architectural, electrical, mechanical, sprinkle, and structure. Just I'll go escape again. I'll see appending the model. First click on on the control button in your laptop or computer. First click on first, then second, third, fourth and fifth. Then click on open. I don't know why it is taking that much time. While I have used before, it is very fast. Just wait for a second. I'll just again open the Navisworks file so I could access as soon as possible. Guys, not a problem. You are thinking that I am just wasting your time. If possible, if I couldn't able to complete this thing, which I'll record all the session, I'll share. Srinivasa will share if it time consumption takes place. Okay. Don't know why it is. See, pending. Okay, I think it is taking some time for it. So I'll directly open this file, .nwd file. Okay, the same thing. After appending the model, the Navisworks essential.nwd file will open. Okay, this kind of file, it's like everything will come over here. So for time consumption, I'm just going to directly over this. But appending the model, while you're appending and merging the model, merging is like nothing but same process will take place. What is, you can't change the model. Like the same model should be carried throughout the work. Then if you want to change the thing, means you have to delete the file. Then again you have to open a new one if you are merging. Where in the case of appending, it will get uh, updated based on the changes in the Revit as well as AutoCAD. Okay, this is your model. Is the model is visible, guys? Please.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Then please from here, please note it down everything. Refresh button is for like the work you have completed in the, for example, as last week, Miss Niharika has given one like architect file to the particular some, I can say, to Miss Lavanya. Okay, she has given the like a Revit file to the Revit file to Niharika. Sorry, Lavanya. She's like a BIM coordinator or BIM manager over there, and she's handling the work, all the Navisworks file. After a week, Niharika should have done the work, right? Like last week, she has completed all the component work, like all the rooftops and walls, and as well as this kind of doors, everything. In the next week, what she did is she has placed the components like beds, tables, everything. So what she do is she will then again, she don't need to resend the file. Just what need to do is she has to like add in some one point is there. I'll explain you add ins tomorrow, because it's taking longer time for explaining me because it is a browser work. Everything will takes the browser work. It will add the link to the particular Navisworks file. It will create .nwf file. Please note it down. After adding the add link to the add ins, like here one in Revit, add-ins will be there for sure. If you're using the Revit, you can find the Navisworks add-ins. And another thing I would like to say is, let us say my situation over here. Like I have a 2017 as well as 2021 Revit version. I have now 2019 Autodesk Navisworks Management 2019. I can't use that file for Autodesk Revit 2021 because it is the latest version and this one is the oldest version. Okay, I already had Revit 2017 version, so I create one model over there and I placed in add-ins, or you can directly, it's not about placing in the add-ins, it's not like that. You can create one file and directly, I already shared you that how the Revit file is going to share in the Navisworks. Am I right? So what happens over here is what is you can clearly mention that this Navisworks file is comes over .nwd. First, you need to check whether this one is not .nwd. You can see in the top screen like address. I can say this one as address bar that Autodesk Navisworks Managed 2019. These are the tools bar, and this one is properties palette, as well as you can say as the project browser to yourself. In generally in Revit we can say as project browser. Here you can say it is as properties palette for you. Okay. Then we're in the case of if Niharika has uploaded his work, after just if she do if Miss Lavanya do just refresh button, all the work will be updated directly over to the Navisworks. Okay. These reset all appearances transforms links. I'll explain you after that while I'll work on the transforms and links option. Okay. Then file option is nothing but there should be no changes over here. Just what is, if you want some orientation changes, like model should be placed on the x-axis for in some distances based on the reference line, like that. Based on the orientation, there will be no changes. Speed is frame rate, like it's for walkthrough. You can change the frame like for 8 frame rate. You can change this one, or you can place it as that's not a problem. Though you go slowly, that's not a problem, but you should be very effective. Then this one is headlight, like the sunlight. Headlight is like sunlight, lightning, everything. So this lightning does not changes to make it as the default, no need of changing, because Navisworks has placed based on the requirement of the client. Okay, these are the scene lights, like creating new lights over in the model to show very clearly. Okay, this net data tool links. If you want to create some SQL like sequential string or new thing, you can add into here. So this uh, tab won't give changes any problem over here. So no need of using data tools over here. So I didn't find that much use in the Navisource. Okay, now I'm going for the select option. So what save select option will do is see. I'll show you. First one is select. When I click here, see it is selecting over this. The same for select box. Just click one, it will come one box like thing like that. It has selected. No changes. It's like for selecting. This is for selecting whole model like that. The whole model has selected. See. For rotating, I am saying you please note it down. For rotating, please press Shift key. If you are using Revit, the same for Revit as well as Navisource, the same thing. No need of changes. Press Shift key as well as middle. What you call as roller. You can say as roller. Just press the roller and you can rotate all the model. Okay. I'll press escape for coming out of the command. Okay. Press for escape. Escape is for coming out of the command. Please note it down. Okay. I'm pressing this one. Okay, the select option is there. Now, see. Now, save selection. Why it is used is for selecting, like you have selected one thing and you want to save for reference purpose or sharing some. If you have some problem over that particular material or cut time, you can save the selected selection. Here you find in the sec. I'll expand it so you could be able to. I'll name it as cut time defect for reference. Okay. Then it is for reference as well as you can change this to. You can name it and you can hide it. I'll hide it. See, if you want to unhide, just say press on this unhide button. It will unhide. It will get unhide. Okay, I have said this one also. So I'll come. Then this select same. Why it is used, I will show you. It is used for creating groups. Like I'll take one example of one. Say let us see one door. Okay. For just cross check, is my screen is visible to you? I have selected the door.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Thank you. I have selected the door. I'll just select on the same name or same type. I'll select the same name. See, all the kind of same name doors have been selected. What I'm gonna do, I'll save the selection as I'll say something balcony doors. After completing the keypad work, press enter to save it. So okay, I'll come back. I'll escape the button and then I will click on the balcony door. The total balcony doors will it will show. It will visible you. It will visible you as like a group. Awesome, no? It's like Navisworks is very easy and free tool. You can easily complete all the work. Okay, it's easily. But what all the changes while this come the part class detection, time learner quantification. Here some problem will come. You need to have some more practice over here. So that's not a problem. I'll explain you this part tomorrow because it is very important and I'll explain you very slowly. Now I'll explain you viewpoint, review tab, Animation, I'll explain you tomorrow. I'll explain you today itself. So I'll give you some hints over to the animations, as well as I'll explain you all these kind of tools as well. Output, I'll explain you everything, items, tools, as well as BIM 360 what it gonna work, and rendering the work I'll explain you tomorrow if possible. Now I was where I was in home. So hello. Hello. Any problem? Clear, right? Can I go to the another one like selection tree? Are you noting down, or do I need to explain again? Please say yes or no so I could go further, please. Mr. Jayant, Niharika, and other people like Venki Reddy, Mahesh, Reshma, Vasanti, Jaya Sainath, Jayant. Please say yes or no so I could start. Are you noting down, Mr. Jayant, Niharika, and other guys? What about ma'am? Reshma, Vasanti, I'm not getting any, so I could move further.
Guys, please do leave a yes or no in the chat box so that we can continue further.
See, in any where in the case of explaining you about PPT, that's not a problem because it's not that much important to you. What is important is Navisworks. I can understand, but if you just cooperate and coordinate with me, I can give you a lot. Thank you, Reshma. Thank you so much. And what about others? I hope all the peoples are noting down the things. If you want, I can share you my notes as well for reference purpose for sure tomorrow. Thank you, Vasanti. Thank you so much. Bah, what I can say, the devil is back. Okay, thank you, Vasanti. Thank you so much. And Raja, Venkataramana, please say yes or no so I could go further. I'll explain within 5 minutes everything. That's not a problem. But what I need is your response, what you are doing or not. Okay. Thank you so much. I'll go further. I hope what I'm thinking the work has completed till appending the model merge and appending. Refreshing the button is nothing but the work, the link which you have provided in the Revit, it will, the work which has completed on time, it will be reverted back to the Navisworks for useful purpose. And reset, I'll explain you while completing the work, okay, while changing something. Then select, I have explained you, then save selection, select all, select same. If you want, I can explain you this one as well by same type. The same type has come over here, like doors also selected. So I'll give some name as, I'll save the selection, I'll give the name as outdoor balcony. So I'll just give you escape while you're selecting, it will come. Okay. Then this is the use of using select same as well as select same type. Then where in the case of selection tree, this is the important tool of Navisworks, which is useful for you all the time. Okay. I will, as of now, I'll remove the sets command. Now I have opened the selection tree. What it uses is, it will give you all the work of architectural, mechanical. It's like a navigation tool that all the files and thing are there in the Navisworks will be shown over here. Okay. you can take the snapshot, or you can note it down. Like selection tree is like main tool of Navisworks, which help you to get all the .nwc of all kind of modeling over there. Okay, where you go into it, you will get all the mechanical files. When you go into the architecture, you will get all the files. In electrical, you will get all the files. In sprinkler system, you will get all the files. Same similarly to the structural file as well. While see, this one command is there, like it's like auto hide. If you want to hide it, you can easily hide it. If you want to pin it, it will pin it. It's like, see, I'm pinning it and it won't be, see, it will be a part of the screen. If you don't want, I just want only model service, by clicking on that particular pin button, it will go out of it. Okay, if you just select again, it will be a part of the building. Okay, it will be a part of the particular what can I say, model dialog box. So I'll click it. I have showed you, while clicking here, the third floor will be selected over there. If I go inside, I'll just use it walkthrough command. See, the third floor has selected. Correct. Am I right? Or else I will select.
Yes,
I'll select the footing. I'll select the footing. I'll go back. I'll go to the back. I'll explain you this walkthrough. Please wait. I have selected the footing. You can check it out over here. I have selected the footing. See, it's like fittings. I have selected. See, the footing has selected. Am I right? Just I have selected in the selection tree, it has shown in the model. You can see it. The best part of Navisworks is like it's totally for client as well as BIM managers to show the model for everyone. Okay. Now here comes the best part for you people. Like if in case you're as a BIM manager, suppose in case Niharika and Jayant are working, both of them are working in different companies. Like Jayant is working as a BIM manager in I can say as this Apex, as well as Niharika is working in L&T. Okay, these two people have to collaborate with each other. Like they don't know where the file is. What they will do, they will find items. They will select on the file items. They will select the category which they want. I'll say element. I'll say one element I want. I will say by name. Like you can say use anything, but for generally the BIM manager don't know everything about chill water, all kind of stuff like architecture, mechanical. That's why I said you that you should know everything about architecture, mechanical, structural, electrical, as well as firefighting work. So while you are, see, I have explained you yesterday. See, you can see it. You should know everything about it. What is diameter? What is door openings? Everything. I will say. I'll open here as like by name for reference purpose. By name, I'm saying condition is equals. Please note it down. Element plus name equals. I'll select for something. What can I say? I'll say select one door, so it will be easy for you. Hotel. Say I'll select one hotel door. I'll then again I'll go with the element. I think element. Then name is. I'll say door number. I'll say equals. See, the door numbers will come. I have selected the door number 1026. It will show you 1026. When I say find first, it has selected in the selection tree. You can see it. See, I'll show you here. I'll show you hotel room door. I'll show you better. I'll show you in the 3D. So you will explain, you'll get clearly. I have selected the door. Then what I'm going to do is I'll go to the view tab. Now I'll show you in the view tab, viewpoint tab. Then I'll go to the wireframe. See the door which I have selected you, I will show you here. I think it is selected. See, I'll go again and I'll find the item. It is not visible to me, so I'll select one. Find first. I'll check whether the door has selected. See, the door has selected over here. Find first. See, the door has selected. See, I can't able to visualize it, but it has selected. See, here it is showing me that the basic proof has selected over there. Okay, the same thing, like if you just finding the item based on that, it will create it. See, then I will say the same thing, quick find. Quick find is also same. I'll select some roof and I'll say search. It is searching over there and it is showing stairs, stair roof. We can't say is stair roofs, we can say. Then I can say curtains. It is like quick finding. If something you want is, you can easily find it. Okay, wait. I'll say I want walls. I'll say walls. See, the walls are selected over. Okay, so I will come to the full render mode. Okay, then these are the sets I have explained to. Like these are the sets. If I say select the balcony doors, it will select like a set. Like we can say in Autodesk as blocks. Like for doors we can say as blocks, right? For Revit we can say as something called as groups. In Revit we can say as groups. In the case of Navisworks we can say as sets. Sets of outdoor balconies, balcony doors, curtain defects. Okay. Like I will select this one. I'm putting the control key. I'll select this one. I'm creating save selection. It has created one set. Like I'll say top floor roof. That's all. It's all you need is practice, guys. When you practice it, you will easily clear it. See, when I selected it, it has selected in the model as well. I'll close the sets option. Then, where in the case of height, I'll give one simple example over here. I've already explained you about height, but again, I will explain you over here. Then, this one is something called pipe stopping. Like it's some, I can say, see the properties of this one. Like this one is cover, pipe cover. It is a pipe cover to the certain plumbing thing. They have given some pipe cover. I don't want this one. So what I'm doing is I'll select first. I'll say select pipe cover. it has selected. Okay, it has selected. What I am going to do is Control H. You can say you can type write as Control H. It has hide it. Okay, I'll again show you, or else you can
Screen
select
is not visible, sir.
really now. Is it visible now? It is showing me it's
It is
visible.
visible, sir. Yes, sir, it is visible.
Who said it's not visible? Please let me know. Who missed? Who? Please let me know. Who has said me that screen is not visible? You can just cross check with your friend. They are saying that it's visible, sir. Okay, I have hide that particular item. How could able to get and I don't know where it is, so I have missed it over it. So how can I get that particular thing? So what you gonna do is one method is just go to the select. This one is the easy method. Go to the selection tree. You will find all the things in the bold. But one thing here over here, see, it is like very thin thing. It is showing that it is pipe cover is there, but it is not showing. I'll select all this one. Control. I'll select this one. I'll select this one, this one, this one, and I'll hide it. I don't know where it is. So you can see over here, it has shown like thin block, thin bold color. So by seeing over here, you can say that these things are hidden. So what you can do is press the control key. Then what you can do is press the control key and click on it and click on the hide button. It will come out. This is the use of hide. Clear? Or another method is you can say as unhide all. It will unhide all the thing, but be careful by using unhide all because, for example, in case if you have unhided some structural part, it will also structural part for reference of architecture. You're doing working on architecture, but you have hide all the structural files. When you use the unhide all option, it will come all the options, but you should be very careful all the things on that. Okay, where in the case of require is you need that one for in all the cases. For example, I am taking this curtain walls. I'm selecting all these curtain walls. Like I'm selecting all the model. So I'm saying require. So it will come in the red option that it won't get hidden. For example, if I do these things, it is like the whole model requirements you can require it, or else if you want just architecture model, you can. It is like you can select a particular file or a Revit or a Revit file like architecture all the models. You want only architecture model means by using the require option you can use it as. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, select it. I'll uncheck this one as of. That is the use of require. Nothing, just what and all require. For example, this staircase and railings, let us say this roof is required. Just select on the require option. It will show you the red, like it is very important, like something. Just if you select over there, it is very important in the model, so you can't do anything without that. Okay, then here comes, so I'll say unhide all. As of now, this visibility tab is over. Then where in the case of links, quick properties, I have already explained you about properties. If the shortcut is shift plus F7, see, it is opening the properties palette. What it is showing, 0 item selected. I have not selected any item. You can see over here. Okay, see, it will provide you some 4 cursor where you want to settle it. See, the cursor, the things, the arrows are visible to you. When I move it, the 4 arrows will come here where you want to settle. Like for in case I want to settle over here. it will settle there. If you want to select or settle over here, I can select it, settle over there. So I am selecting the one roof. You can see all the roof things. Okay, the item and the material which they have used for roofs, and what kind of Revit material used, and what kind of Autodesk material has used. Okay, these are the properties of that. You might know if you have used in the Revit. It's not a problem if you have not used the Revit. Simple. For example, let us take if you're learning about concrete. What you have to know about the properties of the concrete, that it should be very, it should provide good workability, good stiffness, good like good compaction factor, like that. Okay, these are the things for properties, and quick properties the same. It provides you quick properties. I'm selected. This link are there, no? I'll show you, but better I will show you tomorrow. It's okay. I'll explain you this one. Links is nothing but providing. I'll check this one. Providing some photos or photos to the client that this kind of AHU is provided over here. Like I'll show you one AHU unit. I'll show you one AHU unit first in case I will. Is my desktop screen is visible to you? What I am doing here?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay, I'll show you my screen over here. What I'm doing is I'll go to the exercise files. Exercise files. I'll just go to links. I'll provide. See. Hold on a second. Is my screen is visible? This one is an AHU unit. Okay, I have downloaded from I can say Google. What I am going to do is I'm going to install it over in the particular Navisworks file. So I'll go to the Navisworks. Is my Navisworks visible? No. So what I am going to do is linking that.
Yes,
particular.
Sir, it is visible, sir.
See, what I am going to do is I'll select this option. Okay. First, I will show you the link option. Then I'll go to the navigation. What I am going to do is click on the select. First, what I'm going to right click on that, and I'll select AHU 301. It has selected all over the thing. What I'm going to do is see set selection resolution to file. It means the total file of AHU as well as total file. It means a .nwt file or total solution resolution will selected means it will get the total file will get selected into it, and that particular photo will add like the total model is this photo. It's like that. So it's you should not do like see. Just I have selected set resolution file. It has selected the total model. Are you seeing it? Just I selected that the total model has selected. See, you can see in the selection tree as well. So you should not do this mistake. If you want to show the total model in a link, then you can show it like using this set selection resolution to file. Note it down. If you want to show the model total model photo, then you can use this set selection resolution to file. Then set selection resolution to layer is like one layer will totally get selected. Okay. See one layer of that particular piping system has selected. So if you want to show this as photo means you can show it. Set solution, then I'll go escape, then I'll select AHU, then set selection resolution to first object. What does it mean is this it work like that particular AHU unit, how many AHU units are there, like AHU 301, how many AHU are there, it will be totally selected. Then all that AHU gives one photograph for all the AHU. ఏమంటే అన్ని AHU కి ఒకే ఫోటో ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఫోటో చూపించినాను కదా, ఆ సేమ్ ఫోటో ఆల్ AHU కి క్లయింట్ కి చూపేలాగా బీమ్ కోఆర్డినేటర్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసి చూపిస్తాడు. లైక్ సార్ ఇలా AHU 301 ఉంటుంది సార్, మీరు చూసుకోండి AHU 301 ఎలా ఉంటుంది. కావాలంటే మీకు డిఫరెంట్ AHU యూనిట్స్ కావాలంటే కూడా మేము డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి మీకు చూపిస్తాం సార్ అని క్లయింట్ చెప్తాడు. సారీ, బీమ్ కోఆర్డినేటర్ చెప్తాడు. క్లయింట్ ఓకే అంటే ఫర్దర్ మూవ్ అవుతాడు, లేకపోతే ఆ ఫోటోసే లింక్ లాగా షేర్ చేసుకొని ఫర్దర్ ఫెసిలిటీ మేనేజర్ కి ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాడు. ఓకేనా? సో what we want is, we want only once when AHU should be selected. Now the AHU which I has selected should I am selected is to be showed as a photo. Okay, what I'm going to do is set selection resolution to the geometry. Same for last object. Last object is like the previous object which you have used as will be selected over there. Set selection resolution to the geometry is like one geometry is one AHU unit. Say so you have selected one thing, it has selected over there. So what you're going to do is go to links and say create add links. Say name as AHU photographs. Okay. So what I am going to do is, in the file type, what I am going to show is image. I'll go to desktop. I'll select on the link AHU. I'll add it and click on OK. Okay. Now you can see this one, and when I select the links, you can see image. Okay. When I select the links, it is showing you AHU unit. You can select on it. What it is showing is failed to resolve link, because why it is showing is certain things should not be provided in student version. That's why it is showing failed to resolve link. Because when he provides you all the access to the students, what they will do, they will misuse it. So he has not provided this kind of thing to the student version people. Okay, for professional use, while selecting on the particular link, it will show you the object photo. Okay, clear? This about link quick properties. This area I will explain you tomorrow. Okay, this app manager is not that much. I have said you data tools is all about external sources like SQL things to be files to be transferred to you. It's not that much important. This area tools tab will be explained tomorrow. Okay, then where in the case of camera tab, what I can say is providing camera to the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Let us say providing camera to the x-axis. See, it is showing me that the camera has set in the x-axis. So what I am doing is I am aligning it on y-axis. It is showing in the y-axis. I am aligning the camera in the z-axis. It is showing from the top. Clear? If you want to straighten the camera over there, you can as well. So what I'm doing, just this one is view cube. If you want to come back to the normal model, you can model it clearly. You can get it. This one is show tilt bar. It is also one bar, so where you can tilt the model as well as this tool also not that much necessary for you. Okay, if you want, I can explain you I think there will be a loss of time. We have shortage of time. If possible, tomorrow, if you have time, I'll explain you this one also. Okay. Then this one is perspective or photography view. It's like provides you various kinds of like all kind of like it's like that. It will provide you this kind of. It means there are some views are there, no? So it will provide you the same. So I'm going to the normal mode. So this about cameras tab. Are you guys clear with that camera tab? Please say yes, so I could go further. Thank you, Jen. Thank you, Niharika. What about others? Are you okay if I provide you some files? Will you create and show me tomorrow? Is it possible tomorrow to share you? If you are okay, I'll provide you the files. Is it okay? If it gets, it's like you will also get practice for that. After practicing, you will easily get it. What I am trying to say. Can I share you? Not a problem. You can easily download the Navisworks in Autodesk Education Academy. Contact me. I'll explain you how to download. Sure. Not a problem. You are in the 21st century, buddy. You can easily get all kind of softwares. Don't worry. I'm here. Okay. Then we're in the case of save viewpoint. I will say, I'll select one thing. I have selected, so let us say, I'm rotating it. For example, I'm having some defect in my TV. So what I'm going to do is, see, I will explain you about this navigation bar. Then I will explain you about save viewpoint option. Okay. What I'm going to do is, I'll save first this one walk option. What you're gonna do is press on the left cursor and just move. Then you will go move. If you just want to come down, means press shift key and middle roller button, just you will come down. Okay. Then if you want to move further, just click on the left button, go on, move on. Let me share you the PPT so you'll get easily get it. See. See this one. Are you able to see it? The same thing I'm going to explain you over here now. Okay. Then this one is, I'm going walk through inside. Let's select it. So I don't want to select it. Okay. What I'm going to do is, see, I'm going to save one viewpoint. See, it has selected over here, and what I'm going to do is, I'll write internal view. One. I'll say enter. Then I'll go again walk through it inside. Then I'll check it over here. I'll check it over here and I'll say save the viewpoint, like save it. Then I'll say internal viewpoint 2. Ma'am, please give me 5 minutes. That's all I can say. After that, I'll wind up everything. I'll explain everything tomorrow. Not a problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Say enter. Then I'll show you this save viewpoint I have showed you. That's all about. From what is your tomorrow's exercise is saving the viewpoint and providing me some animation videos. Okay, I'll show you how to do animation as well. Whether you can do by using animator as well as you can record it. See, first I'll show you the animator work. This one I'll explain you tomorrow how to do animation. Animator is different, animation is different. Okay, what I'm going to do is right click over here and I'll say add animation. What I'm going to do is I'll write as bathroom defect. Enter. Then I will just click on this one and I'll just push it into bathroom defect. So it will go get into the bathroom defect. Sure. Okay. Then I'll again this one I'll click here and then again I'll drag and drop into bathroom defect. So what it happened means when you click on that, when you just play it over here, see, it will show you some defect over there. It's like showing the particular person. For example, if mechanical modeler has shown some problem over in the bathroom, you can share this export animation and you can share this animation to the particular mechanical modeler. See, I have saved this one bathroom effect. I'll save in the desktop. Has saved it. I have saved it. So what I'll show you this screen. I'll show you the screen over here. So it has been shared and that export animation will be shared to the mechanical model or architect who want to do something called that. I'll come back to that. I'll show you what is record option. Okay, see, I'll just click on the record. I'll just work. I'll walk to total. I'll see all the building. Then I'll go inside. I'll see this one. Then I'll come out of the model. Okay, just pressing the left button is all about the work of walking. I'll just come out back. That's all. So what I'm going to do, I'll just stop it. Then I'll play it what I have done, the animation. See. It is for showing in the augmented reality or virtual reality mode. This is all about animation. Create like this animation and show me tomorrow if possible if you download a day. As of now, I'll stop it over here. Then I'll show you all this. Tomorrow I'll show you this review tab. It takes only 5 to 10 minutes. Then view tab, I have explained you navigation bar. View cube. If you want me to explain everything, I'll explain you for 5 minutes tomorrow. That's not even, it's an easy thing only. If you want to see in the full screen, just click on the full screen and you can play it. For example, I'll play one plus F11 to come out of the full screen. Okay. I'll go to the animation which I have created. I'll say play and I'll put F11. You can see in the laptop. Is my laptop screen is visible to you, no?
Yes, sir, it is.
So you can see all the Navis works which we have done in the building. So I have created the frames that much big, no? So it is problem me a lot. So I'll change the frame tomorrow. I'll show you very slowly. I'll came out of the model. I'll just escape it. I'll stop it. That's all from today's. I'll share you if possible tomorrow morning all the exercises. If you want, you can use it. I'll explain you if you want. I'll explain you how to download the Navisworks. Okay, please contact me. I'll share my number to you so you get say what we do, but we don't have Navisworks now, sir. What kind of Navisworks? Okay, you are saying Navisworks. Okay, not a problem. I'll share. I'll give my number to you. Just contact with me. I'll share you how to do it. I'll say. Okay, this is my contact number. I will give it to everyone if you want this. If you want, you can. I think you have noted all the points. If you want, I can share you notes. I'll try to prepare new notes for you people. I think I have cleared all the Navi home tab, viewpoint tab. I think this lightning mode, this sectioning mode, I couldn't able to complete. Sorry for that. Due to appending, while appending, I was in clear mind that I should complete all the work. So it's okay what I can do. So there has some problem came over there. So guys, you tell me how was the session? It's good. I think you have noted something. I think you got something knowledge over there. If you didn't get, not a problem. You can call me and ask me what and all doubts you have. If possible, I'll create one Zoom and I'll explain you again, not a problem. What is you should be able to get all the points. You should worth each and every penny which you have given for this software. Okay. Clear. Shall I wind up this session? Please say yes with good energy. So after winding up, so I clear it up. Thank you, Niharika. Thank you so much. Thank you. What about, shall we wind up? Thank you, Vasanti. Thank you, Jaya. Thank you, Niharika.
Akhil sir? Hello, Akhil sir. Akhil sir, can you hear us?
Hey guys, are you there? If you have any queries, please ask. Especially Raja, Jayant, Vasanti, Niharika. If you have any queries, please ask. If you are just fearing or if you are shying over here, just call me. I'll explain you personally over there. So not a problem. Be free. We are like friends, or we don't. Even I am saying you that we are friends. We have to be a good civil engineer. That's my motto. The thing which I am saying is the struggle I have did, I had, and the mistakes which I did, you people should not do. What I'm saying is, being in the third year and fourth year, you just complete all the work. Okay. Thank you so much. If you have any queries, please do let me know. Shall we wind it up, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you all for being with me till last. Tomorrow will be, I think I will have to improve something. Ma'am, may I know why other participants have not come? Or any problem over there?
Sir, they haven't replied yet particularly, but they might be
Oh.
involved in some works and looking for
Okay.
recording sessions.
Okay, please provide them recording session, ma'am. I have to. If they have any queries, tell them to contact me. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Yes, sir. We'll do that. Thank you so much for the precious time, sir. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
you
ma'am.
all.
Thank you.
Hope
Thank
you're
you.
clear with the